Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you current affairs with a new topic, sporting events. First of all, we should know that what is sporting events. Sport means all forms of physical activity which through casual or organized participation aim at expressing or improving physical fitness and mental well-being, forming social relationships, or obtaining results in competitions at all levels. Students, popularization of physical culture, sports, and healthy lifestyles plays an important role in society in any country. Okay? Sports by performing developmental, educational, patriotic, communicative function integrates and coordinates individuals and social groups, helps the nation to develop. First of all, we should know that what is the purpose of sporting events. Sport and play create equal access and equal opportunity for all and help eliminate discrimination, violence, and abuse. Further, sport and play leverage a platform to advance social change in the areas of civil rights, human rights, peace building, and world affairs. What is international sporting events? The concept of international sports refers to sports when the participants represent at least two countries. The most well-known international sports events is the Olympic Games. Sporting events. Okay. In number 1, January 28, 2019, Saina Nehwal won the women's singles title at the Indonesia Masters Badminton Tournament 2019. Okay, world number 9, Saina Nehwal was crowned the women's singles champion at the Indonesia Masters Super 500 tournament on Sunday after Carolina Marin pulled out of the much anticipated final with an injury midway during the first game. Okay, on January 27, 2019. Next, number 2, February 25, 2019, Indian Grandmaster Avijit Gupta lifted the game's International Open trophy. In chess, Indian Grandmaster Avijit Gupta lifted the Cannes International Open trophy and he took an easy draw with Pierluigi Basso of Italy in the 9th and final round. And having been tied for the top spot in the previous edition, Avijit won the tournament with 7.5 points. Okay. Next, number 3, April 23, 2019. Bajrang Punia wins India's first gold medal at Asian Wrestling Championships held in Jian, China. Bajrang Punia won gold at the Asian Wrestling Championships. Bajrang Punia opened India's medal tally at the Asian Wrestling Championships with a gold in the 65 kg freestyle category and beating Saitbek Okaso 12 by 7 -7 in the final on Tuesday in Jian, China on April 23rd, 2019. Next, number 4, May 1st on Labor Day. Okay, May 1st, 2019, Indian shooting egg Apurvi Chandela has been ranked the world's number 1 in the women's 10 meters air rifle event. Students, Anjum Modgli occupied the number 2 spot in the same event to make it 1-2 for India. But Apurvi Chandela achieved a new milestone in her career as a shooter, became the new world number 1 in women's 10 meters air rifle event according to the latest rankings released by the International Shooting Sport Federation. Okay. Next, number 5, May 12 and 2019, Mumbai Indians won their 4th IPL title after defeating Chennai Super Kings by 1 run at Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad. Mumbai Indians pipped Chennai Super Kings to a record 4th Indian Premier League (IPL) title when Rohit Sharma's men triumphed by the narrowest of margins by 1 run to beat Chennai Super Kings in a nail-biting final at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium in Hyderabad. Next, number 6, July 14, 2019. England won the ICC Cricket World Cup 2019 by defeating New Zealand at the Lord's Cricket Stadium in London. Students, the 2019 Cricket World Cup final was a one-day international cricket match played at Lord's in London, England on 14th July 2019 to determine the winner of the 2019 Cricket World Cup. It was contested by the runners-up from the previous tournament, New Zealand, and the host nation, England. It was the 5th time Lord's hosted the Cricket World Cup final and the most of any ground. Next, number 7, July 20, 2019, Indian sprinter Hima Das extended her sensational run by claiming her 5th consecutive gold of the month in different competitions. Okay, Indian sprinter Hima Das extended her sensational run by claiming her 5th gold of the month as she returned to her paid 400-meter competition with a season-best time of 52.09 seconds here. And at last, number 8, October 23, 2019, Sourav Ganguly has become the 39th President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI. Students, former India captain Sourav Ganguly formally took charge as the President of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, okay, after 33 months of Committee of Administrators, COA, being in charge, the 47-year-old Ganguly was elected the President unopposed. At the General Body meeting, chaired by the members of the COA, Ganguly was officially handed over the charge by BCCI Electoral Officer N. Gopal Swamy. Then after, in 2019 Asian Athletics Championship in Doha, okay, the 2019 Asian Athletics Championship was the 23rd edition of the Asian Athletics Championships, and it was held from 21st to 24 April 2019 at the Khalifa International Stadium in Doha, Qatar. Students, just look at your book, okay? In Asian Athletics Championships 2019, host city Doha, Qatar, participation 595 athletes from 43 nations. Okay, 2019 Asian Athletics Championships, India's performance, rank 4, nation India, gold 3, silver 7, bronze 7, and total medal 17. Okay, first of all, in number 1, the picture of Tejinder Pal Singh Tour in shot put, gold. Okay, then after Gomati Marimuthu 800 meters, gold. Then after PU Chitra 1500 meters, and she won gold medal. Then after Ajay Kumar Saroj 1500 meters, silver. Shivpal Singh javelin throw silver. And then after Anu Rani, javelin throw, same, she won the silver medal. Okay, thank you students. It's all for today. Stay home, stay safe and stay positive.